Scientific and medical writing serves as a crucial apparatus for transforming intricate data into easily digestible information. This discipline epitomizes the bridge between groundbreaking research and its practical applications, ensuring meticulous communication that is precise and objective. Unlike artistic writing that seeks to evoke emotions, scientific writing prioritizes clarity and comprehension, aiming to inform and facilitate immediate action. The fundamental aim of scientific writing is to disseminate new findings to the global community effectively. This occurs through various mediums, including journal articles, clinical reports, and conference presentations that create a tangible history of scientific evolution. Each piece stands as a public record, bridging the gap between theoretical knowledge and real world application. But the significance of scientific writing transcends mere information sharing. It is the foundation of reproducibility. A well structured method section serves as a comprehensive guide, akin to a recipe, enabling another expert to duplicate an experiment precisely. This adherence to reproducibility is critical to maintaining scientific integrity, providing a framework for verifying and building upon established findings. In the healthcare sector, the implications of scientific writing carry immense weight. The clarity of a clinical study report shapes patient care and influences public health policies. Regulatory bodies rely on these documents to determine the safety and efficacy of new drugs and devices. Additionally, comprehensible patient information leaflets or physician guidelines can significantly impact treatment outcomes, making this form of writing not only informative but also life saving. Persuasion is another key element of scientific writing. When drafting a grant proposal, the document must compellingly communicate the importance of a research idea to secure funding. Similarly, the discussion section of a research paper must interpret results and defend conclusions, persuading colleagues of their relevance within the broader scientific narrative. To fulfill these essential roles, scientific writing adheres to defined principles that promote clarity and coherence. The IMRAD format, introduction, methods, results, and discussion, provides a structured pathway that leads the reader logically from question to conclusion, ensuring an accessible narrative. The language employed in scientific writing is deliberately simple, favoring clarity over complexity. It opts for straightforward terminology that emphasizes evidence and discovery instead of convoluted jargon, effectively communicating findings to a diverse audience. Ultimately, scientific and medical writing acts as a critical conduit between research observation and real world impact. It is a disciplined process that transforms isolated discoveries into a framework for informed decision making and collective human progress, embodying T